Hello, Faribault Falcons. We are here today to present our November Virtual Assembly. We are the 4th grade team. I am Mr. Wordish.
I'm Mrs. Deluge.
Mrs. Scheffler.
And I'm Mr. Garcia. Can you please stand up and say our Falcon Pride pledge with us?
I am a Jefferson Falcon.
I am a Jefferson Falcon.
I provide respect.
I provide respect.
I act safe.
I act safe.
I work hard.
I work hard.
I am responsible.
I am responsible.
I soar with pride.
I soar with pride. So today we're going to be talking about skills for learning, and the skill for learning that we're going to focus on today is slant.
Good morning, students. Eyes up here, please. Get your notebooks out and get ready for today's lesson.
You are annoying me. What are you doing?
Annoying? Have you
You're
looked in the
annoying
mirror
me.
lately?
I can't help it if you're jealous. What are you doing here? What are you doing? You are
I'm relaxing. I'm relaxing.
This is not time to relax. This is class.
Your class is relaxing.
You are a disaster. I am going to straighten you out. You got a slant.
What do I got? Slant.
Yeah.
I am slanting.
No, slant is an acronym. It stands for something.
What?
Forget it. Okay, look.
Okay.
S is for sit up. So sit up.
You mean like the sit-ups, like the exercise?
Sit.
Oh, man.
Sit up in your chair.
Man.
Sit up in your chair. Okay. L is
All right.
for lean forward.
Lean
Okay, so
forward.
you are ready to do what needs to be done.
Like I'm mixing.
I'm going to ignore that. A is for ask questions, only you need to wait until the appropriate time. No, now is not the time.
Okay.
N is for nod, as if you are interested in what your teacher is saying. And T is for take notes.
Got it. All right. So I got to sit up.
Yes.
I got to lean forward.
Yes,
I got to ask questions when it's ready.
exactly.
And then N is nod. So like I'm mixing, I got nod. And then T means take notes.
Exactly.
All right, I guess I can do this. I can give this a
See, look
shot.
at you. You're all straightened up. You're no
I
longer
look
a
good?
disaster.
I look good? Yeah, but
You're no longer a
here's
disaster. My hair is amazing.
Jeez,
I
terrible.
know you're
Let me
jealous.
tell you
It's all
something.
right. Take
All
your
right.
notes.
All
Take
right,
your
I
notes.
got you.
Okay, class, good job today. Please look on the board and take down your homework assignment for tonight.
See? So much better.
Your hair ain't.
Now that you've seen the slant video, we are going to show you what it would look like in the classroom. So first is S. S is sit up so your teacher knows you're ready to learn.
Then L is for lean forward to show your teacher that you are paying attention.
A is to ask questions in case you're not sure what to do or don't understand.
N is for nod your head to show your teacher that you understand.
And T is to take notes so that we can tell that you are understanding what we are doing during the lesson. Oh, you guys are doing a great job. I can tell that you are ready to go.
Slant.
Have a great day. See you later, Falcons.
Soar with pride. And now, for the November Students of the Month. Balzer's class, Istar Ahmed. Richie's class, Mariana Pineda. In Cox's class, Janad Mohammed. And in Miss Weaver's class, Mason Nesbick. Miss Baker's class, Rakia Sharif.
For the 1st grade students of the month, in Miss Peterson's class, we have Abdirahman Mohammed. In Schrott's class, Mustaqim Rasim. In Harmon's class, Bowden Cox. And in Scusa's class, we have Catalina Rodriguez.
And for 2nd grade, in Miss Rito Lino's class, we have Gilberto Wantos. In O'Brien, we have Muad Omar. In Mr. Pinka's class, we have Nada Abdi. In Miss Emelsta's class, we have Salma Abdi Kadir.
And in Miss Scraw's class, we have Isabella Odendahl. In Miss Torvik's class, we have Julio Sun de la Cruz. In Miss Shirik's class, we have Surprise Sampan. In Miss Smith's class, we have Lexi Mays Wick. And in Miss Pashke's class, we have Isra Haji Muhammad.
And now for fourth grade, in Mrs. Deliage's class, it is Logan Nelson.
In Mrs. Scheffler's class, Talon Hell.
In Mr. Wersch's class, Haley Torres Rodriguez.
And in Mr. Garcia's class, we have Salma Ali. Nice job, Salma.
And now for the fifth grade classes. In Miss Lilquist's class, we have Nora Cordova. In Mr. Schultz's class, Noel Madej. In Miss Lindsay's class, Elodie Oaklers. And Miss Stowell's class, Owen Anderson. Congratulations to those students who won the November Students of the Month. You're doing great.
Woo!
Way to soar with pride.
Nice job.